Hey, say it one more time. Hurry.
It tested really early.
The alert tones, which were just broadcast, will automatically activate special receivers. The alert tones, which were just broadcast, will automatically activate special receivers to alert you of impending hazards. This test is normally conducted weekly around 11 a.m. If hazardous weather is imminent or occurring, the test may be canceled. KXI42 listening area in Missouri, Harry, and St. Genevieve. In Illinois, Randolph and Perry. St. Louis, Franklin, Jefferson, Lincoln, St. Charles, Warren, and the city of St. Louis. In Illinois, Madison, Monroe, and St. Clair. If your receiver was phone activated, the alert function will automatically reset after the test. This concludes our test for this week, and we will now resume normal programming. Thank you.
Good test, but very early.